This Logik gas cooker will fulfill all your cooking needs with a 4-burner gas hob and single conventional oven with separate grill. The easy-to-clean enamel interior has a hard-wearing smooth surface which is resistant to impacts, scratches and acids caused by food spillages. Simply wipe clean to keep your oven looking as good as new. The Flame Supervision device is designed to stop flammable gas going to the burner of a gas appliance if the flame is extinguished, keeping your family safe and preventing gas leaks. The anti-tilt bracket is designed to prevent trays and food from sliding off the shelf when you pull it out of the oven, making cooking safer when using heavy pots, pans and casserole dishes. Create fantastic dishes for all the family using this efficient and practical Logik gas cooker.